you and they trust you, that builds your visibility and credibility. Hi guys, how are you doing today? The secret sauce for marketing. That's the session for today. Let's understand it together. I welcome you all. I am Leena, a mentor, transformational coach, powerful, passionate woman empowerment leader, and the founder of Live It Up. Now, I call this secret the secret sauce for marketing because it has really worked well in my life. Now, what's the secret? Visibility and credibility equal to profitability. Now, what exactly is visibility? Visibility is something which you will let the people know what exactly you do. The people should be aware that what is your business about. You need to be visible in front of the people through social media. And now it is so easy. Whether you are going through, you're writing blogs, or you're going in Facebook like what I am doing, in YouTube videos, or whichever way, SMS, WhatsApp, the different ways how you can reach out to people and let them be aware about your business. It sometimes horrifies me that there are so many people who know me more than a year and they were not aware that I do coaching. When people know you, then they will understand your business. That's your next step. But there is no way that you need to keep your business a secret. If you keep your business a secret, that means there is no business. So it's very important that we need to be visible with what we are doing. The second step of marketing is credibility. Now, how does that work? Once people know you through your visibility, the second step is they should trust you. Now, how does the trust come? How do you make them feel? See, nobody will remember what you talk to them or what you tell them. The only thing people will remember is how you made them feel. And that builds trust. Before even you meet them, there is a trust level which can be felt because through your words or through your advice, you made them feel good. And that creates trust before even the person meets you. So what is that first process of meeting that person and what you do to build that credibility? Do you have a first step process in your business? If not, let's identify it. I have seen, I remember around 6 months back, I went to a parlor and it was a new parlor for me as well. And I was given a red towel. And I could see all the staff around started moving around me one by one. They come to me, someone asks for feedback, someone will ask for juice or coffee, and they made me feel so comfortable that I didn't realize I'd gone there for the first time. So they had that culture that whoever goes for the first time in the parlor, they will be giving a red towel, and all the staff will notice that red towel person and start to make them happy and make them feel comfortable. And that builds trust. I was able to trust them so much. So once the people know you and they trust you, that builds your visibility and credibility. The small things like this, what the parlor guys was doing, imagine what level of trust it shoots up. And if you do the first step and your second step very good, I assure you that you don't have to work for your third step, that is profitability. It will work automatically. So let's do our visibility and credibility in your own way. Identify your ways and let's reach out to people. There are so many people who come to me that they directly want to jump into profitability, and it never happens. So I have a course where I teach them how they can identify their passion, then they can move into the practice of what they love to do, and from practice they move into the profitability, from profitability they move into the purpose stage. So these are the 4 stages where anybody has to go through, and I teach that in my course, to identify your passion, because most of the people don't know what they are good at. And that makes, if we know all the small techniques and exercise and the tools, it makes life so easy. So let's create our visibility, let's build the trust with the people and get into the third step of profitability. See you guys. Bye-bye. I come up with the next learning of mine tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye. Love you. Thank you.